Good evening. And I would like to welcome everyone to this discussion here on compassion without limit. So, generally speaking, the most important thing from the Buddhist point of view in our life is to work with our mind. And the teachings of the Buddha mainly concentrates on the methods and the wisdoms of how we can work with our mind, discover the true nature of our mind, and also discover the temporal what you call temperaments of our mind, and then apply the methods and wisdom, and work with such reality of mind. That's the whole teachings of the Buddha. What basically Buddha taught is working with our mind, discovering the true nature of a mind, true reality, the basic state which is free from all confusions and complexities, to discover such simple nature and reality of our mind that is totally calm, peace, and full of wisdom. At the same time, to discover the temporal nature of our experiences that may seem to be slightly bothering to us, such as aggression, right? Sometimes it bothers us, doesn't it? No? Oh, that's good news if it doesn't bother you. And also working with the not only aggression, but also other experiences of slight irritations we have with jealousy, pride. Sometimes we don't feel the pain that these disturbing states of mind brings us. But if we really look at our mind's experience, we can feel some disturbance arising from these aspects of mind. Aggression, jealousy, obsession, what's the other one? I forgot. Ignorance. Oh, that's right. Ignorance. Yeah. So Therefore, the whole teachings of the Buddha is basically working with these different states of our mind, our consciousness. For that reason, the Buddhist teachings known as Buddhism or Dharma is nothing but a genuine science of mind, which I try to remind you all the time. It is nothing but a genuine science of mind. We must remember this in our everyday life. If you're a Buddhist, if you're practicing Buddhism, that's important to remember. And if you're not Buddhist and just exploring, and this is what we should know, Buddhism is a science of mind, a genuine science of mind. And this science of mind is simply working with these two aspects of mind, the true nature of mind and the temporary nature of mind, two natures. The true nature of our mind is the basic state, the original reality of our mind, of our consciousness, which we are trying to discover. And in the process of discovering this true and genuine state of our mind, then what we find out? We discover all sorts of things. Right, isn't it? We discover all sorts of things. So many temporary experiences, temporary nature of mind that we experience. And that's the second aspect, the second nature of our mind. The two things. It's very simple, right? The journey here is very simple. These two things. Discovering these two things, that's it. Right? Let's go home. If we let ourselves go home right now, we'll find the second nature of our mind manifesting more, right? So it's very obvious. These two things. There's two realities, two nature. The whole teachings, the whole practices, whole methods, no matter where you look, you find meditation, you find scholarly knowledge of Buddhism, what have you, all of these things are simply try to point out these two basic states. Nothing more or nothing less. Very simple. And for that reason, Buddhism is really a science of mind. Basically it's working with mind all the time. No matter when you're studying a philosophy of Buddhism, they are talking about mind, right? Then you turn your head towards meditation instructor, they're talking about your mind, right? No matter where you turn our heads, we find the teachings always talking about mind and its nature